ticking on the wall, but I don't feel the time at all. Every second next to you feel like something brand new. Your head resting on my chest, heartbeat putting my soul to rest. Girl, before you walk away, hear the words I need to say. No pressure, no demand, just stay right where you stand. Let the night tell its story, wrapped in love and glory. Stay a little longer with me, let love breathe freely. Stay a little longer tonight, till the morning light. Stay a little longer, don't go, let the slow rhythm flow. Stay a little longer, my dear, I need you right here. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Outside world move too fast, always worry about the past. But right here in this space, love show its true face. No promise written in stone, just truth in every tone. If tomorrow come or not, this moment mean a lot. No fear holding you close, this love gentle, never force. Let the night do what it do, all I need is you. Stay a little longer with me, let love breathe freely. Stay a little longer tonight, till the morning light. Stay a little longer, don't go, let the slow rhythm flow. Stay a little longer, my dear, I need you right here. If time tries to steal this night, I'll still hold you tight. No rush, no race, just love in this place. Stay a little longer, stay, let the night slow